Welcome back, everyone. So, second video of the new year. Hopefully I have the audio and everything fixed. It was giving me a lot of issues on my last video, and I apologize, but let's get focused on this. So I have all of my skins all cut down, all prepped to the areas that I want to focus on. So I have a couple of layers of pages here with all different cool little skins that I was like, oh, I can totally do something with. We're just gonna go through some of these, pick some of them out, some that I've been really wanting to use for a while, like this guy. And I love these drippings, how they turned out, so cool. So that one, and a lot of really fun green metallics that, oh my god, Monica, you would love if you're watching this right now. There's so many greens, like I have a ton from this green painting I did. You would just, oh, you would love these. I should actually send some of these to you, see what you create with some of the green paint skins. Ooh, I want that one. I also like these really light pastel ones. They have a lot of really pretty lavender cells and a little gold and a little gray. They're very soft, very elegant. I don't think every piece of jewelry or everything that you do with the skin has to be high energy or high color. Let's go through and grab a few more. I would like what's going on in the center of this one. We'll work with that. I want to sit here and make all of them today, but we're not. I'm going to save some of them maybe for live, and you guys can tell me what you guys like. I like what's going on with that one. And this one. And I think this one I'm actually going to send off to somebody. You know who you are. I know you wanted it, so I'm actually going to save this one and send it off to you. Maybe a couple off of that one. So let me get these out of the way. Oh yeah, I also have these. So these are those skins that I got on the painter's tape off of two of the different paintings I did. This one from the cactus, and this one is from, oh no, these were from that plexi video I did, showing you guys the plexi, and then you can peel off the center and just have that border around the plexi. Still have to work with the resin for you guys. I'm slowly getting there. I gotta bring myself up to use resin for art since it's so expensive. So I have this whiteboard that I'm going to be using for resin. I actually filmed on those two little chalkboards, and because I had to reset my phone and everything, I actually lost footage yesterday, so those are gone. So I will be doing a resin pour on this for you guys, but you can come in and create so many cool little things using this underneath. And then when you go to resin over it, they stay put. Like, I'm not gonna keep this like this, but I'm just showing you. You can come in and create some fun artwork, something below. That way when you go to resin, you'll have this stuff. I recommend keeping the resin light and mainly clear. That way a lot of this still shows through. There are so many things you guys can do and create with skins. Have fun with it. Just play with it. This is your world. You guys create your world. I have so many different sizes and shapes. And so many cool little turtle fixtures. Aren't those cute? I absolutely love them. I even have owls. I even have silver plated. These are actual silver plated stopwatch that you can create. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Got a few pulled aside with the cabochons that we're going to be playing with today. Got my skins set aside. Okay. So the first one I want to start off today is I have a blank for these little key card holders. It's fun little guys. I have a blank, and I thought we would play with some vibrant colors for this guy. So you've probably seen this done a million times on Debbie Cole's channel, or over on Mickey E's, or Christina Welch's, and I believe even Marcy over on Mixed Media Girl did it. So it's just the basic, you take your skin, you can take your cabochon. I know Christina likes to use resin instead of cabochons. Let's get this one glued down, out of the way, and then we'll take a look at another fun thing you guys can do and create. I typically use the E6000 for this, but today I want to try, I got this like Loctite all-purpose. It's the go-to glue, extra durable, versatile, crystal clear. It's very thin, so we're just gonna use a dot, and I want it somewhere around this area. Let's take a look. Spread that out a little bit. Yep. I'm gonna apply just enough pressure until I see a little bit of the glue come out the sides. Yay! So I got the cells that I wanted. Very rainbow. Now, back to looking at these guys. Oh no. I'm all over the place today. So I like the way this guy looks. What we're gonna do, I like to do the little galaxy look, and this guy already has a lot of this fun galaxy going on already, so we don't have to stress about adding anything. Trying it with this new glue. So you want to use the backing of your paintbrush or anything you have to spread it out. Then we're gonna come in and take just a little bit of glitter. I like this one because it has these little tiny stars. So I pulled it out. I have one of the little stars which I'm going to apply first because I want it to be in there. And then I just flick a little bit more of this glitter on top where the glue is. And that way when you take your cabochon, put it down, you're gonna press really hard. Get all of those air bubbles out. Put the cap back on the glitter. We don't want that going everywhere. But what that does, let's see if I can't get in close enough to show you guys. There we go. Trying to get in the lighting for you guys so you can see. So that's just one of the ways I like to make the little galaxy pendants. Most of the time I have to hand paint them, but since I have all of these skins, I think that's what I'm going to do on all of these is galaxy. Alright, so those are set. Those are going to be good to go. You're in about 15 minutes with this stuff. So let's get some of these down. We're just going to repeat the same process. So I'm going to throw you guys in a time lapse so you guys can just watch me go back and forth trying to decide what I want to do, where I want to place everything, and we will be back afterwards. Right? Okay, so now that I have them all placed and glued down and set, let's take a look at the very first one we did, which was the rainbow. Now we're going to clean this up real quick. I like to use, these are actually for sewing, but they work 10 times better than an X-Acto knife. And I just come in, we're just going to cut along the edge. So I'm going to put that aside because I might be able to get something else out of that one. And then from here, you can come in all along the edges. I like to just round them out. So here we have a cute little rainbow one, which I think is going to look great with this neon yellow. A little bit bigger of a dot because there's a lip in here. But there we have it. We have this fun little, whatever these things are called. Now the next one we did, I believe, was the turtle? I believe it was the galaxy. Alright, so let me trim this real quick for you guys. I'll probably do the turtle and then put these all into time-lapse as well. And at the end we'll come in for a close-up and you guys can see all the fun, pretty finished works. Alright, so there's not much left on there, so that one can go into the trash. Right into the trash can. I'll show you guys this little fun, pretty galaxy. I always like throwing the little star in there because to me it emphasizes galaxy. Pretty, okay. Keep it simple, keep it modern. I always like to turn it and look for the best composition and how I want it to sit. Now let me throw this into a time-lapse and we'll get working on all the others. So I'll see you guys after the time-lapse. Okay everyone, so I'm going to start off with this little guy. And we're just going to move along. So here's that silver. Trying to catch all the metallics for you guys, so. Oh, here's L. Oh, yeah, the turtle. So this is the turtle. Like I said, you guys can see the metallics a lot better. This fun Southwest earrings, which were a mix of gold, copper, and aqua flash. Here's the galaxy. You can see the depth of color now. And with those little glitters added, just makes a very fun, cute galaxy. Oh, here we go. Here's our rainbow tag holder. And you can see that purple flash in there. Coming down to our bracelet. And finally, our water drop. Now this is the one with the tree of life. But there we are. Also, before I forget, I will be adding handmade malas to my Etsy shop as well. These weren't made by me, these were made by another artist. His name is Sancho Manzano. And let's just go over some of the ones that we have right now. Oh, they're so pretty. So they're actually custom, just to give you guys a heads up. So if there's any beads out there or anything, let me know and I'll let the artist know and have them custom made for you. But to start off, we have this green and brown. So this is African jade with tiger's eye. These are all traditional style malas. Second one we have here, this one is lapis lazuli with black tiger's eye. See if I can focus in on here for you so you guys can see the black tiger's eye a little bit better. And then this one has an obsidian guru bead to it. This one right here, we're looking at Bayong wood, which is a hard, dense Filipino wood. So pretty. Look at that color. And then, let's see, hand carved. Alright, so these are bone stash horn or hand carved stations, and then African sandalwood is this mixture with a traditional tassel. Look at these colors, so pretty. And lastly, this one is African turquoise with aged carnelian agate. Look at the colors on that. But yeah, these will be custom, so I will put up a few pictures of them in my Etsy and state that they are custom. So if there's any colors specifically, if there's any stones, if there's any woods you guys would like to have made, just let me know and I will add that to my Etsy as well. So this year I am making a resolution to myself to focus 10 times more on getting my Etsy and my Redbubble and all of those sites up and running for you guys. 2019 can run smoothly. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to check out all my sites, which I have to go and post all of these on there now. Especially my Etsy. Well, my Etsy. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Ciao.